Have you ever stopped to think what it truly takes to move millions of fragile chicken eggs from the moment they leave the hen's nest until they reach your breakfast plate without a single crack, a single flaw, or a single hand touching them? Inside a modern automated egg factory, it is not farmers gently collecting eggs in baskets anymore. It is a mesmerizing orchestra of steel arms, conveyor belts that stretch longer than city streets, and robotic scanners that can detect imperfections invisible to the human eye, all working together in a ballet of speed and precision where every second matters. The process begins in climate-controlled barns, where eggs roll onto soft belts designed to cradle them as if each one were a priceless gem. Then carried into vast sorting halls where robots, equipped with suction pads lighter than a feather, lift dozens at once and place them perfectly spaced onto endless moving lines that glide like rivers of white and brown shells, while high-speed cameras flash beams of light through each egg to check the yolk's position, the shell's thickness, and even the air pocket inside, instantly rejecting any that fail the factory's microscopic standards. The flawless eggs then stream into gigantic washing tunnels where rotating brushes and heated water cleanse them without a drop of harsh chemical, leaving a natural shine before drying turbines whip away every trace of moisture. And just seconds later, robotic arms load them into cartons, sealing them with labels and codes that trace each egg back to its farm of origin, while massive palletizing robots stack thousands of cartons high enough to fill trucks in minutes, creating towers of breakfast waiting to travel across cities and countries. Throughout the entire journey, no human hand needs to touch an egg, reducing contamination risks and making the process as clean and efficient as possible. Yet, behind the efficiency lies a hidden choreography where machine learning software monitors the flow, adjusting belt speeds, spacing, and robotic grip strength in real time, almost like the factory itself is alive, responding to every egg's delicate needs. This is the unseen marvel of industrial food automation, an empire where fragile shells survive the chaos of motion. Machines work with the tenderness of fingertips, and millions of eggs quietly travel from henhouse to home in a way so seamless that most people never even imagine the complexity behind their simple morning meal. And that is why the next time you crack open an egg, you'll know it has survived an extraordinary mechanical journey that no other YouTube channel has ever revealed in this unique way. But the journey is far from over. In a seamless flow, robotic arms lift the clean, dry eggs and place them into cartons. Each movement is monitored, each carton precisely filled. Labels are affixed, codes are stamped, and the entire history of the egg, its farm of origin, the date it was laid, even the conditions of the barn, are encoded for complete traceability. The eggs are then stacked by massive palletizing robots, their arms strong enough to lift a car, but delicate enough to handle a carton of eggs. Towers of cartons rise, ready to fill trucks bound for supermarkets, restaurants, and homes across the world. Throughout this entire process, the human role is one of oversight and orchestration. Operators monitor screens filled with data, ensuring that every stage runs smoothly. Machine learning algorithms, trained on millions of data points, constantly adjust the speed of belts, the spacing of eggs, and the grip strength of robotic arms. If a slight uptick in cracked shells is detected, the system responds in real time, slowing the line, adjusting the pressure, or rerouting eggs to prevent waste. It is an environment where technology and biology are intertwined, each supporting the other to achieve perfect results. And yet, for all its complexity, the system is built around a simple truth. Eggs are incredibly fragile. The shell, though seemingly sturdy, is a marvel of natural engineering, strong enough to protect the developing chick, yet delicate enough to be broken by a careless touch. The entire factory is designed as an homage to this fragility, a place where machines behave with the gentleness of human hands, but with the speed and consistency that only automation can achieve. This is the unseen world behind your breakfast, a place where millions of eggs survive a gauntlet of motion, light, water, and air, emerging unscathed, and ready for your table. It is a testament to the ingenuity of modern food production, where cleanliness, efficiency, and traceability come together in perfect harmony. Every step, every machine, every data point is devoted to the simple goal of delivering a perfect egg, every time. So, the next time you crack an egg into a pan, take a moment to marvel at its journey. Consider the silent ballet of machines, the rivers of conveyor belts, the watchful eyes of robotic cameras, and the delicate touch of steel arms. Know that behind your simple morning ritual lies a world of extraordinary complexity, one that exists solely to ensure that the egg you hold is as perfect as nature intended. In the end, it's not just breakfast. It's the culmination of a remarkable, invisible voyage that most of us never even imagine.